Now in exercise 9.5 we are going to fifth question, but look at the following question. Here same x plus 3 same expression repeated two times. So we have written as x plus 3 whole square. So we used first identity. For this also we have used first identity. For this we have used second identity because there is a minus in between the two terms. Here also same term but only the minus is different. So we used second identity for the two questions. Look at the fifth question. Here 1.m, 1.1m, 1.1m and 0.4, 0.4. But first bracket contain a minus, second bracket contain a plus. But look at the previous sum. There is plus in both the brackets or minus in both the brackets. But in fifth question, one is in minus, another one is in plus. Let's see which identity is in the same model. Yeah, look at these identities. As we seen in the question, one bracket contain a plus, another bracket contain a minus. So only the third identity is suitable to solve that particular question. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let us apply this identity in fifth question. We are going to use a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here instead of a we are going to use 1.1m. Instead of b we are going to use 0.4m. Now let us substitute a, b value in the expansion of a plus b into a minus b. First a square. So 1.1 whole square minus b square means 0.4 m whole square. Here also m whole square. Now let us write 1.1 m whole square. So if you simplify 1.1 into 1.1, you will get 1.21, as well as m into m is m square. So 1.21 m square. This will be 1.21 m square minus 0.4 whole square. 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 will be 0.16. So 0.16 m into m is m square. Let us see sixth question. A square plus b square multiplied by minus a square plus b square. This question is a little tricky. So look at the variable a square b square, but here minus a square plus b square. So no identity will applicable for if the question is in this pattern. So let us think in different way, and we can write the question as b square plus a square, and this also I am going to write b square minus a square. Now see b square, a square, a square. One bracket contain a plus symbol, the another one is a minus symbol. So if it is in this pattern, definitely we have to use the third identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now instead of a we have to substitute b square. Instead of b we have to substitute a square. In the place of ab we are going to substitute this value. Okay, so a means what? B square, and there is already square over a, so write the square to minus b. B means a square. Then already there is a square over b, write that too. Okay, now b power 2 into 2 is 4, minus a power 2 2s are 4. So that is the only difference. Just I have interchanged the terms. Just then only it is convenient to apply the suitable identities. Then we can simplify it. Just observe the 7th question. 6x 6x 7 7. One bracket contain a plus, another contain a minus. So definitely we have to use the third identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So value of a is 6x, value of b is equal to 7. This a b value are going to substitute in this expansion. A square, a means 6x whole square minus b square means 7 whole square. 6x whole square means 6 6 are 36, x into x is x square minus 7 square means 7 7s are 49. That's it. Let us see question number 8. Minus a plus c multiplied by minus a plus c. It is very important that to choose a suitable identity to simplify this. So it is minus a, same variable, c and c same variable. In between there is a plus. Both brackets have plus. So we can write it as minus a plus c whole square. Same term, same symbols are repeating 2 times. So I can write this expression as it is. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. The expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is the value of a. A is equal to minus a. A is equal to minus a. This is the value of b. B is equal to c. Okay, do it carefully. Instead of a, we have to substitute minus a. Instead of b, we have to substitute as c in this expansion. A square. A means minus a whole square plus 2. Again a means minus a. B, what is the value of b is c plus b square, that is c square. So minus a whole square, minus into minus is plus, a into a is a square. Now minus ac, 2 into minus a into c is minus 2ac, c square is plus c square. 9th question. Read the question and observe that the terms within the bracket x by 2, 3y by 4, 3y by 4, both the brackets contain a plus symbol. Okay, same term is repeating in 2 brackets. It repeating 2 times. So we can write this as x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square. It's repeating 2 times. So we can write it as a power of 2. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square because contain a plus. So a plus b whole square. The expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So instead of a, we have to substitute x by 2. In the place of a, we have substitute x by 2. In the place of b, we have to substitute 3y by 4. Let us substitute this ab value in the expansion. A square, that is x by 2 whole square plus 2a, that is x by 2. B value is 3y by 4 plus b square is what? 3y by 4 whole square. Now let us square both x and 2. X into x is x squared. 2 2s are 4. Now in this there is a possibilities of cancelling. 2 2 can be cancelled. Okay, so we can multiply x into 3y is plus 3xy divided by 4 plus 3y square. 3 3s are 9. Y into y is y square divided by 4 4s are 16. Let us see the last question. Kindly observe the question to select the suitable identities. 7a, 7a minus 9b, 9b. So same term is repeated 2 times. So we can write it 7a minus 9b whole power 2. Okay, so for this we can use a minus b whole square identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to substitute, instead of a we have to substitute 7a. In the place of b we have to substitute 9b. Now let us substitute a square means 7a whole square minus 2, a means 7a, b means 9b plus b square, that means 9b whole square. Let us simplify 7a whole square. 7 7s are 49. A into a is a square minus 7 2s are 14. 14 into 9 is 126. A into b is ab plus 9 9s are 81. B into b is b square.